Hi, I'm Tracy Arini, a registered dietitian and certified diabetes care and education specialist. As a consumer myself, I am aware of food costs. My patients often report they feel it's too expensive to eat healthy. Today I'll be sharing some ways to make healthy eating more affordable. Here is a sampling of some affordable foods that are also nutrient dense. To keep this brief and educational, I'm going to share some tips and do a few comparisons that'll help you to stretch your food dollars. As a disclaimer, I'm not promoting any particular store, but you will notice many references to Kroger for continuity. Many stores may have lower prices than featured through this lesson, but this is intended to help support budget-friendly eating. Savvy shoppers check ads for weekly sales and design meals based on discounted prices. Be sure to take advantage of store apps with digital coupons, clip paper coupons, and make a list before you shop. Shop inside your pantry and refrigerator to make sure you don't buy items that you already have. Stretch your meals with existing pasta, rice, beans, frozen veggies, and more to save money. Compare unit pricing in store. You may find that larger packaging isn't always the more affordable option, but sometimes it is. Plan to buy whole foods instead of pre-cut or pre-washed items, which are prone to high markups for the convenience they offer. And of course, never shop when hungry. Packaged noodles are seemingly one of the cheapest foods you can find. By comparison, brown rice costs 11 cents less per ounce than the noodles. Checking the unit price of foods is a clever way to assess the cost of a standardized unit of measurement. Here, both options are based on the cost per ounce. There are 10 servings in a package of rice, making the cost about 17 cents per serving. The package of noodles is often eaten as a single serving, but there's actually 2 servings per package, making it 25 cents per serving, more than the price of the rice. Notice the sodium content in brown rice is 0 milligrams. A full package of noodles provides over 1,500 milligrams of sodium. This amounts to 2/3 of the recommended daily limit. The rice is a versatile food that is a better bargain both financially and nutritionally. Frozen vegetables offer just as much nutrition as fresh ones. When purchasing fresh vegetables, you must plan to use them before they perish, otherwise you're throwing money away. These frozen vegetables are priced at 17 cents per ounce and will last 8 to 12 months if kept frozen. The fresh green beans can be purchased in the quantity you desire, but you'll pay $2.49 per pound. At $2.49 per pound, this is 15 cents per ounce. To maintain their integrity, you'll need to use them soon after purchasing, usually less than a week. Buying whole foods compared to pre-washed and cut or prepared foods is a bargain. Notice the bag of whole carrots is marked $2.29 for a 2-pound bag, making the cost $1.15 per pound. The ready-to-eat carrot chips are about double that price. A 5-pound bag of potatoes marked at $2.99 is more versatile than the prepared mashed potatoes for the same price. Also, consider making substitutions for higher-priced items such as ground beef. Using ground turkey in dishes such as chili, casseroles, and more saves you $3 to spend on other groceries. Sometimes convenience wins when it comes to choosing a healthy breakfast. The old-fashioned oats will take about 5 minutes to cook instead of the 1.5 to 2 minutes for the prepackaged variety. Notice all the additional ingredients. Do you really want to pay more for all those additives? While a savings of 6 cents per ounce may not initially seem worth the fuss, you'll be avoiding ingredients that are not necessary when cooking a wholesome food like old-fashioned oats. As a dietitian who's performed countless food recalls over the years, a common reported quick lunch is a pack of peanut butter crackers. Let's look at how this compares to a quick peanut butter sandwich. The cost of 1 serving of peanut butter is about 17 cents, considering there are 13 servings per jar. 2 slices of whole grain bread cost about 25 cents. That makes 42 cents for the sandwich. If you decide to only use 1 piece of bread, you'll spend about 30 cents. The on-sale price of $3.49 per 8-pack of crackers works out to a cost of about 44 cents per pack. If paying full price, you'll spend about 50 cents per pack. Either way, the peanut butter sandwich is more wholesome and takes just a minute of time and a butter knife or spoon to prepare. Plain yogurt is an affordable option that pairs well with fruit. In the past, we recommended non-fat dairy, but emerging research shows that the saturated fat found in whole milk dairy is not as harmful as we once believed. A full serving of yogurt costs 60 cents. If you top it with half of a serving or half a cup of sliced frozen strawberries, you'll add another 50 cents to the bowl. The Chewy bar shows a sale price of $2.50, which is only 50 cents per bar. If purchased at full price, you'll spend 66 cents per bar. This is in fact cheaper than the yogurt and berry combination. However, you'll notice there isn't a mention of strawberries in the Chewy bar ingredients, and the yogurt flavored coating is made from sugars, oils, and food additives. So yes, sometimes eating healthier can be more expensive, but worth it. Using food pantries or food assistance programs can reduce grocery costs and ease financial stress by helping cover some of your basic food needs. This allows you to stretch your budget further and use your money for other essentials like housing, utilities, transportation, or health care. Scan the QR code seen here to find local resources to help meet your needs. Our staff at the Diabetes Education Center and Outpatient Nutrition Office invite you to reach out for further help. Find us on the union.health website or call 812-238-7577. That's all for now. Have a great day.